Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. I've got 10 amazing secrets, tips, and tricks that will blow your mind. These are perfect for listeners of all ages. So whether you are a curious kid or a tech-savvy grandparent, there is something here for everyone. But for that, we will walk you through 10 amazing Android secrets, tips, and tricks you must know. Here's what we will cover. Number 1. Developer options. 2. Screenshot tricks. 3. Google Assistant commands. 4. Hidden Files Manager. 5. Extend and lock feature. 6. Dark mode for eye comfort. 7. One-handed mode. 8. Digital well-being features. 9. Voice typing. 10. Use widgets for quick access. Ready? Let's jump right in. Secret number 1. Developer options. Did you know your Android phone has a secret menu? It is called Developer Options. But don't worry, it is not just for developers. To access it, go to Settings, scroll down to About Phone, click on Software Information, and tap Field number 7 times. Yup, 7. This might feel like a secret code, and it is. Now you can customize your phone like a pro. Once you're in, you will find a plethora of options. You can enable features like USB debugging, which is essential if you're into programming or want to root your device. But here's a fun one. You can speed up your device by adjusting the animation scales. By changing the window animation scale to 0.5, your transitions will be lightning fast. But before we proceed, if you want, just imagine your friends' faces when you show them how quickly your phone navigates. It is like having a superhero phone. Secret number 2. Screenshot tricks. Next up, let's talk screenshots. We all know the basic way to take one. But did you know you can take scrolling screenshots? This is perfect for capturing long conversations or articles. Simply take a regular screenshot by pressing the power and volume down buttons together. Then look for the scroll option that pops up at the bottom. Tap it and watch as your phone scrolls down to capture more content. This feature is a game changer for students taking notes or anyone wanting to save a full article. With this trick, you can also capture long social media threads or recipes without having to take multiple screenshots. How cool is that? Secret number 3. Google Assistant commands. Coming in at number 3, let's talk Google Assistant. If you are not using it to its full potential, you are missing out. You can control your smart home devices, set reminders, and even ask to tell you jokes. Just say, "Hey Google, tell me a joke," and it will lighten up your day. Or, "Hey Google, turn on the living room lights." How cool is that? It is like having a personal assistant in your pocket. You can also use it for cooking. Just ask, "Hey Google, how many tablespoons are in a cup?" And it will give you the answer instantly. Perfect for all the young chefs out there. And for you students out there, Google Assistant can even help you with homework. Just ask it to explain complex concepts, and you will get a quick overview to guide you. Talk about a study buddy. Secret number 4. Hidden Files Manager. Tip number 4 is for those who want to clean up their device. Did you know that Android has a Hidden Files Manager? It is perfect for organizing your files and freeing up storage. Just go to your app drawer and look for Files or My Files. From here, you can see all your downloads, images, and documents. You can easily move files around, delete what you don't need, and even find large files taking up space. This is a great way to keep your phone running smoothly. Regularly checking your files can also help you stay organized, especially if you use your device for school or work. You'll be amazed at how much storage you can free up. Secret number 5. Extend and lock feature. Now here's a cool feature that enhances both security and convenience. Extend and lock. It lets you keep your phone unlocked in certain situations. For example, when you are at home or connected to a trusted Bluetooth device. Go to Settings, then Lock Screen, and tap on Extend and Lock. Then input your password. From here, you can set your preferences. This means you won't have to unlock your phone every time you pick it up at home. It is perfect for those times when you are cooking and don't want to keep entering your password. But be careful. Only set this up in safe environments, like your home or trusted friends' places. You don't want to accidentally leave your phone unlocked in a public area. Secret number 6. Dark mode for eye comfort. Tip number 6 is all about night mode. If you're someone who likes to use their phone before bed, this feature is a must-try. Night mode reduces the blue light emitted by your screen, which can help improve your sleep quality. To activate it, go to Settings, then Display, and look for Dark mode or Blue light filter. You can even schedule it to turn on automatically at sunset. Trust me, your eyes will thank you, and you will sleep better too. This is especially helpful for kids who might be using their devices late at night. It is a simple way to promote healthier habits. Secret number 7. One-handed mode. Next up, we have one-handed mode. This is a lifesaver, especially if you have a big phone and little hands. It shifts the entire screen down, making everything easier to reach. Go to Settings, then Advanced Features, and look for one-handed mode. Enable it, and watch how your screen transforms. Now you can use your phone comfortably with just one hand. Perfect for those on-the-go moments. Whether you are holding a coffee in one hand or trying to navigate while walking, this feature makes life so much easier. Plus, it is great for kids who might struggle with larger devices. Secret number 8. Digital well-being features. Now let's chat about digital well-being. This feature helps you keep track of your screen time and app usage. It is great for balancing tech time, especially for parents and kids. To access it, go to Settings and find Digital Well-being. You can set timers for apps and even enable focus mode to block distractions. For instance, if you find yourself mindlessly scrolling through social media, you can set a limit. When time's up, your app will pause. This can be especially helpful for students who need to focus on studying or families wanting to encourage outdoor play. It's all about finding balance in our tech-filled lives. Secret number 9. Voice typing. Tip number 9 is all about saving time with voice typing. Instead of typing out long messages or notes, you can just speak. When you are in any text field, tap the microphone icon on the keyboard. Start speaking, and your phone will transcribe your words into text. It is super handy for quickly jotting down thoughts or sending messages. Plus, it is a fantastic way for kids to practice their pronunciation and spelling. Just imagine how much easier group projects will be when you can dictate ideas instead of typing them out. Plus, it is much quicker. Secret number 10. Use widgets for quick access. And finally, secret number 10 is about using widgets. Widgets can transform your home screen into a powerful dashboard for all your favorite apps and information. To add a widget, long press on your home screen. Select widgets, choose the one you want. You can add weather updates, calendar events, or even shortcuts to your favorite playlist. This way, you get quick access to important information without opening apps. It is a fantastic way to personalize your device. Widgets can also help kids keep track of their school assignments or upcoming events. It's like having a mini planner right on your home screen. And there you have it, top 10 amazing Android secrets, tips, and tricks. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content in wireless solutions. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.